Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. We will present our first research. But first, let me introduce member. My name is Joe, and there are Erlangga and Adli. As another group, our topic is about Microsoft Windows 10. Next, what is operation system? An operation system is system software that manages computer hardware and software. Because and provides common service for computer, program, time sharing, operation system, schedule, text for efficient use of the system, and might also include accounting software for cost allocation of processor time, math, storage, printing, and other resources. Next. For hardware, functions such as input and output and memory allocation, the operation system as an intermediary between program and the computer hardware. Although the application code is actually executed repeatedly by the hardware and frequently make system call to an OS function or is interpreted by it. Operation systems are formed on many devices that contain a computer from cellular phone and video game console to web server and many computers. Product of operation system. Short history of operation system. Operation system were first developed in the late 1950 to manage tape storage. The General Motors Research Lab implemented the first OS in the early 190 150 for the IBM 771. In the mid 1960, operation system started to use this. In the late 1960s, the first version of the Unix OS was developed. The first OS built Microsoft Windows I was built 191 by calculation the 96 DOS software from a sister company. The present-day popular OS Windows first came to existence in 1985 when a GUI was created and paired with Microsoft DOS. Next, features of operating system. Function of operating system. 1. Process management. Process management helps OS to create and delete progress. It also provides mechanic for and the communication among process. 2. Memory management. Memory management modules perform the task of allocation and the allocation of memory space to program in need of this resource. 3. File management. It manages all the file-related activities such as organization, storage, retrieval, naming, sharing, and protection of file. 4. Device management. Device management keeps track of all devices. This module also responsible for this text is known as the control. It also performs the task of allocation and the allocation of the device. 5. System management. One of the main objects of any OS is to hide the preparation of that hardware device from the user. 6. Secondary storage management. Systems have several levels of storage which includes primary storage, secondary storage, and change storage. Instruction and data must be stored in primary storage or cache so that a running program can reference it. 7. Security module protect the data and information of a computer system against malware, threat, and offensive access. 8. Command interpretation. This module interpreting command given by the enacting system resource to process the commands. 9. Networking. As distributed system is a group of processors which do not share memory, hardware, device, or a clock. The processor communication with the another through the network. 10. Job accounting. Keep track of time and resource used by various jobs and users. 11. Communication management. Coordination and assessment of compilers, interpreters, and another software resource of the various users of the computer system. Next.
Advantage and disadvantage of using OS. The advantage first allows you to hide details of hardware by creating an abstraction. Second, easy to use with a GUI. 3. Offers an environment in which a user may execute program or application. The disadvantage are, first, if any issue occurs in OS, you may lose all the contents which have been stored in your system. Second, operating system software is quite expensive for small size organization, which adds burden on them. For example, Windows. Third, it is never entirely secure as a threat can occur at any time. Now is Microsoft Windows. Windows is an operating system created by Microsoft, where this operating system provides a graphical interface or GUI to make it easier to operate. With Windows, user no longer need to type commands via the command line as in MS-DOS. Simply by using a mouse and or keyboard, user can give command to open menus, dialog box, run application, delete files, and so on. This is the type of Microsoft Windows. And these are the components of Microsoft Windows. Now, let's get into Windows 10. Windows 10 is the best version of the current Microsoft Windows operating system, which was released on July 28, 2015. The system is built on the Windows NT and Windows 8 kernels. Part of the reason Microsoft decided to name the release in 2015 as Windows 10 and skip Windows 9 was because the operating system was designed to be a new direction for Microsoft. One of the main goals of Windows 10 is to unify the experience of using Windows on several devices such as desktop, computer, tablet, and smartphone. As part of this effort, Microsoft developed Windows 10 Mobile with Windows 10 to replace Windows Phone, Microsoft's previous mobile OS. Windows 10 also integrates other Microsoft services such as Xbox Live and Cortana Voice Recognition Assistant. While Windows 10 has many features, including the return of the Start that was dropped on Windows 8, the new Start menu is further enhanced with a beautiful appearance and provide quick access to setting, folder, and program. The bottom of the Windows Start menu has a search bar function that allows you to search various files and information on your PC and the web online. Another big change in Windows 10 is the introduction of the Edge web browser, which was designed to replace Internet Explorer. But Internet Explorer is still in it. Edge is the default browser on Windows 10. Other new features include Continuum, which automatically automates the user interface depending on whether you use an user interface, an external keyboard or touchscreen, and Windows Store, which is similar to the notification bar on OS X. Windows 10 also support multiple desktop on a single monitor and provides snap access, a feature that helps organize Windows on the screen. This is the component of Windows 10. First, Start menu. It is like a roadmap for your computer. It lets you launch applications of any computer, access system setting, and much more. Second, search box. The search box allows you to quickly search your computer and the internet at a point, right from the text bar. If you need something, simply use this component. I can search through your data. Third, task view or timeline. The task view button in version 70.09 allows you to manage your virtual desktop and move application windows between them. And the timeline button in version 80.03 allows you to again manage your virtual desktop, but also view website and file that have been used for the last 30 days if you choose to activate. Next, fourth, pinned apps application that you use commonly can be pinned to your text bar. By default, Windows has a couple that it pins for you. It's very convenient component to use. 5. Text tray. It's a toolbar that have many kind of application, for example, sound, internet, clock, etc. It's located on the bottom right. If an application is open and has not been pinned to the text bar, it will show in the text tray. 6. Notification tray and clock. The notification tray shows icon of applications that are running in the background and provide access to internet and sound setting. While the clock displays the current time and date, so you can see notification of notification and your time. 7. Action Center. It is a Windows main notification system, and is let out notification that you receive will be stored in this panel until you clear them. The Action Center also provide quick access to system features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and projection. 8. Desktop icons. The desktop holds application icon by default. We include shortcut to log off or restart your computer, and also Firefox. You are free to add your own. The last is desktop. It is an application that can work on its own. The desktop holds your desktop icon and has a customizable background image, so you can change the background image.
There is Windows 10 Pro to Windows 10 Home, Enterprise, Windows 10 Education, Mobile, Workstation, and Team. The conclusion is, Windows is one of the operating systems that popular that created by Microsoft. Windows has 18 types and about 15 components. One of it must use the type, which is Windows 10, was first released in 2015. Windows 10 has 9 components including Start menu, Search box, Task view, in apps, text tray, and many more. Windows 10 also has 7 different types. Example, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Home, Enterprise, Education, Mobile, Workstation, and Windows Team. Suggestion is, first, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 8 or 8.1 or even the previous version, author highly recommend you to change into Windows 10 now because of new feature and it supports new updates from almost every application you might use. Second is, if you have problem with too many data, try to use this cleanup. It can clean your junks or really use data from the disk. This is very useful to boosting up your PC performance. Third is, don't worry about antivirus. Windows 10 has its own antivirus called Windows Defender. Windows Defender can remove malware and works as antivirus normally. It can also run in real time. At last, not every Windows 10 user are expert and know about operating system that well. Well, there is a quick access. With quick access, it can assist those who aren't familiar with Windows. Maybe that's it for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.